Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a basic eye look that I have been doing very regularly. You can change up the colors and everything if you would like, but it's a basic, really quick technique that I think would look good on everyone. So let's get right into it. Today I've done nothing. My skin is bare. I've just put my moisturizer on. So now we're gonna go in with the Professional primer. I like to use a primer because I do have textured skin, so I think it does help glide on and everything, glide the foundation on and make it look better. We're now going in with the Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I'm just gonna use a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender I bought in a holiday pack, and I haven't even used it that many times, and it's starting to like break apart and everything. I don't know what it is. Is it because it was in the holiday set? Is the quality different? I'm not too sure. So because I mean, I got two, the pink and the black one. The black one I haven't used so much yet, so I really don't know. But this pink one, just after a couple of uses, it started acting like this, so I don't know what it is. Because I do know some brands give lower quality products in the holiday packaging, and I mean, I don't think they should do that, but oh, now going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer, my everyday concealer. It's in the shade Custard. Just hiding those dark circles. And then with whatever is on the beauty blender, I just like to put it on my upper eyelid just to even out the color as much as possible. Today, so just gonna go in with some more foundation. You should always build up what you need rather than going in at once, because it will always give you a better finish and it will be much easier to blend everything into your skin. Now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Plus and pressing it all into my skin. Now I'm just gonna bronze up my skin using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. For a everyday look, I don't like the harsh contouring or anything, so I just softly try and sculpt, not really sculpt, just put the bronzer beneath my cheekbones area so it slightly sculpts and bronzes up my skin at the same time. Just the sides of my nose, nothing harsh below my jawline. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the Dior blush. This is in the shade Rosebud. Now using the Urban Decay primer, just gonna prime my eyelids. Just gonna use a flat shader brush to blend out the primer so it's even for all over my eyelids. Okay. Now using the Naked Basics, it's really dirty, but oh well. I'm gonna go in with the shade Naked 2. So I'm just gonna put this in the crease. Just gonna blend it out in my crease. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Faint and deepening up that crease as well as the outer V. For my all over lid color, I'm again gonna go into the shade Naked 2 and just pack that onto my lid. Just blending that outer V, making it darker. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Venus, the first shade that's slightly has a slight sheen to it, just for my under my brow bone. Just all my brushes here are dirty, just gonna use that. And for my inner corner as well. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the shade Naked. Just putting that on to my lower lash line. And then with the darker shade, the shade Faint as well. But keeping that as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, so I just deepened up the crease, and then I'm gonna go with the shade WOS and just put it in between here because I think I put too much brown. So just to soften that a little and blend everything out. Okay, done the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go in with the Chanel pencil liner in the shade Brown. I think that, well, the shade is 100 Santel. It's a brown eyeliner. I'm gonna just line my upper lash line. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna just smudge it out a bit. Just roughly doing this, and on the lower lash line also, on the lower waterline, sorry. I'm gonna take this small brush, or you can take a pencil brush. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm just gonna use this to blend out the liner slightly. Just gonna quickly do my brows with the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm just gonna go in with the Laura Mercier highlighting powder. This is in the shade 1, just to highlight my face. This is a very natural highlighter, so I love it for every day. This one, or usually I go for the Mary Luminizer one. Just want a little more today. And then gonna just put mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Okay, I'm back with my mascara on. As you can see, just a mascara makes such a big difference. If you want, you can add false lashes, but honestly, on an everyday basis, I don't add false lashes. Okay, I'm gonna be using the, oh, I should have shown you before, this Rock Candy lipstick. I want to go in with the shade 0. Usually I wouldn't be using this kind of shade on a everyday. I'd use like a nude pink or something like that. Or sometimes if I feel really in a fun mood, I'd use a little brighter color. But I really want to try out this shade today. So the shade is 0. It's a really creamy formula. I really like the shade actually. It's quite different. This is the shade 0. I'll quickly swatch the other shades for you. This is the shade Aussie. Roxy, this one. Roxy. Crush. They're all really creamy. Babe. And Ziggy. Ziggy. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was really helpful and all. Please do like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. I will link it below. And till next time, thanks guys. Bye.